here, Michelle Berry Franco. Welcome to video 1 in Magnetic Message Creation. Today we're going to talk about you. Tomorrow we're going to talk about them. And then in the third video, which is the final video in our series, we're going to talk about how to put these two together. So it's a work in progress until day 3 when we pull it all together. Okay, so for today, we're going to talk about you. And there are 2 elements of today's lesson. The first part of today's lesson is about what you solve. We'll talk more about that in a minute. The second is about what is your brilliance? What genius do you bring to solving this? So think about the last time you were at a networking event or a party or somewhere where you met someone new and that inevitable question came up. You know what question I'm talking about, right? Right. So what do you do? And think about the way you answer that question. Now I'm going to ask you to actually shift that question in your mind next time you're at an event and for this lesson. And I want you to think of it as, so what do you solve? So if you answer the question, so what do, you might say, I'm a life coach, I'm a personal chef, I'm a financial planner, I'm a designer, name your title. But if you think of it as what do you solve, you might say, I help busy families eat healthier. Or you might say, I help really busy people tame their calendars. Or I help frustrated people lose weight. So exploring what you solve gives you a lot more information about what you're providing and what you're doing, really. And the second half of this is, what particular brilliance do you, specifically you, bring to the table? What is your genius in this area? Maybe you're a really great listener, a deep listener. Maybe you know how to create step-by-step processes that help people actually move through stuckness. So thinking about what is it that you particularly bring to that problem-solving process that you put out there. And I want you to think about both of these things and write down your answers on the worksheet that you'll find on this page. And then tomorrow we're going to take what you've learned from today and think about who they are and how we might apply all of this to that. Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take good care.